Yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. It's really cool. It is? Yeah. Well, over there, it's not that cool. Take my hands out. Guys! Yeah, I even looked at.
Very. Like I was warm over there and I'm freezing and I'm cold. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna walk on my knees, go up front. I'll tell you where.
I'm gonna put it on
The top?
but actually, no, I wanna wait. So everyone goes deeper.
Yeah. It's really clear. I see all your.
All right, we're gonna play Marco Polo.
I swam. She's like, I'm like, Tali, look at me, I win. And she's like, because I splashed you? I'm like, no. Ready?
I want to do 5 seconds.
Okay. Polo. Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Polo.
What are you cheating for? Marco.
Wait.
God, son.
You splashed my ass so hard. The mouse like, I tried to grab her.
I told you I was gonna play. You put such on her face? Oh.
Close your eyes. I grabbed her.
Yo, I heard you. I heard everyone there. I'm like, okay. Whoosh.
I was trying to tell her. I was like,
You're it.
okay.
You better go ham.
Okay, you guys ready?
Ready? Polo. 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 Polo.
Too bad.
I was running on top of the water, fam.
I was scared I was gonna run into somebody and I did.
What a cheater. What are you doing over there? Whew, I'm out of breath from running. It's nice, right? Yeah. Polo. Polo. Who are you gonna go for? I am kind of fast. Polo. 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 She's cheating. Polo. 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 Yeah.
See, that's the one I almost tripped over.
You gotta run. Yeah, get her, run. Go, get her. Get her.
YOLO. Right there, you know.
Catch her. You're it. No. You got wrecked. Yeah.
Oh, so you guys want to splash?
I'm not splashing.
Why you want to splash? Okay, let's go.
You got it in my eye.
Again? Tell you want to splash, huh? I know. You want to splash? I saw you
Fight.
splashing. I'm gonna splash you.
Fight. This has such a wide angle. Like, walk that way. No, walk that way. Look. Your mom and you are in the same frame right now. Yeah. Go. I'm recording now. Can someone see what it sees?
What?
Does it gotta go up or down? The adjustment. Is it
What,
good?
the camera?
Yeah, how's it look?
How's your head? It's okay.
What do you mean?
Guys, you see me? Yeah? Yeah, it's good.
Good?
Yeah. Like when you dug down, it's like you can still see, but like. Are you okay? It's been broken though, no?
Yeah, but it's ready. Here. No. Is it flashing red? Is it flashing red? Yeah? Okay, it's recording. I'll be back. Alright. Wow. Water. Come on, let's go. It's not that cold. I feel like we get used to it though.
There's a bunch of ladybugs in the water. That's cute. I saw two.
You wanna go in? Go. If you don't go in, we let you. Come on! Come on! You're already wet! She's already wet!
Yeah, you know, because you're wet, it's not gonna feel as cold, right? Want me to go with you? Okay.
Oh, I'll go. Go that way, right?
2, 1, go!
not bad. The big rock is here. I want to try and lift it up. Oh my god, no way. Look at this shell. Look at this shell. Look at this shell. It's a shell.
The baby.
It's tiny. Holy crap.
Gotta stay in the circle.
And we're out of here. How long were we here for?
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
But it feels like we've been here for like
Feels like we've been here for a minute, but
4 or 5 hours.
we haven't been here long. The water's kind of brisk, so that's it. Brisk. Well, the water's fucking cold, so
And then the air is getting cold.
yeah, they're getting cold. It's gonna rain, so we're gonna get out of here.
Where's the water?